1 जुलाई 2021 को गुवाहाटी में एक विशेष एनआईए अदालत ने रायजोर दल के प्रमुख अखिल गोगोई को यूएपीए, राजद्रोह और भारतीय दंड संहिता सहित अन्य अपराधों से जुड़े चांदमारी मामले में सभी आरोपों से मुक्त कर दिया था। फिर राष्ट्रीय जांच एजेंसी ने विशेष एनआईए अदालत के आदेश के खिलाफ फिर से अपील दायर की। 14 जुलाई 2021 को गुवाहाटी उच्च न्यायालय ने विशेष एनआईए अदालत के आदेश के खिलाफ राष्ट्रीय जांच एजेंसी की अपील को स्वीकार कर लिया, जिसमें उन्हें सभी आरोपों से मुक्त कर दिया गया था। आज फिर केस का हियरिंग में क्या हुआ देखिए।
In fact, my lord, I was one of the first few persons who gathered in, my lord, in the midst of that COVID in my lord Lotus Hill playground, where first, meeting was organized. Does that mean, my lord, I'm guilty of terrorism or I'm guilty of, I've got every right under Article 19(1) to say what is good and what is bad for the state. My lord, it's not my perception. I felt that what is being done is not correct. Therefore, we are democratically protesting. Yes, in that process, everybody is not so sane, my lord, like as the government would like people to behave. They don't behave sanely when it comes to plundering the state's money, my lord. Their sense comes only when, my lord, they're trying to find fault with others. Yes, some excesses have taken place. Let us be very candid about it. This is not my case. Like in some of the incidents which happened in Gauhati. Then, my lord, that these were spearheaded by the organizations which the respondent represents. Then you, jail him, convict him. I know even I am against, my lord, destruction of public property. End of the day, it is taxpayers' money, my lord. Therefore, my lord, that is an aspect. Perhaps Lordship may give due consideration to that. But otherwise, my lord, legally speaking, I don't find, my lord, any material irregularity having been committed by the trial judge in refusing to frame charges in the circumstances of the case.
Really contesting on that part that
exactly, my lord, I'm doing. My lord, mere saying there are materials will not do. Which is that material which attracts section 15 and 39? Till now, they have not produced. Till that, they have not submitted. No, my lord, Lords will kindly see. The law is very clear. The scope of 227, scope of 228 are absolutely clear. And we need not, supplement that because Honorable Supreme Court has already laid it. The only test is whether the materials which finds place in the charge sheet, it can be said that it constitutes the ingredient of the offense. Let them show, instead of arguing for 3 days, I think this can be done in 30 minutes. Which material, when my learned friend has tried to correlate the ingredients of the offense and the materials in the charge sheet. End of the matter, my lord. Why should we read the whole thing again and again and again? No, I'm coming to that. Now, let my learned friend also show that the materials which are there in the additional charge sheet was not taken note of by the learned judge below. We are only submitting that he has not taken what he has not taken note of. What according to you should have been taken note of. Where is the argument? My lord, it's a question of liberty of a citizen, my lord. And in the entire state of Assam, crores of people agitated against CAA, they could pick up only one gentleman. Only one gentleman was responsible for all this. No, my lord, things has to be taken in perspective. Your lordships will do the balancing act. I may get swayed away, he may get swayed away, but your lordships will not.
Mr. Chaudhary, that's what we're trying to
entire do. State hesitated against CAA. They could pick up only one gentleman. Why Asu did not spearhead at the moment? Why you did not pick up Samujjal Bhattacharjee? Why you picked up this gentleman called Gogoi?
Mr. Chaudhary, we appreciate your
No, my lord, these are
no, we are on a slightly different issue here.
No, my lord, my submission is very simple. What is the attempt which has been made by the NIA to show that there was infraction of section 227 while rejecting the case and infraction of 228 CRPC while not framing charge? Who are the offences in respect of which the charge sheet was filed? That's the only point to be decided. And I'll satisfy your lordships, my lord. The learned judge has written a very wonderful judgment. Rather, I do not know whether I'm competent to say that or not. Eventually, it will be decided. He has written a good judgment, my lord. And he has taken, my lord, yes. There could, my lord, in the matter, my lord, if an adjournment is granted or refused, can you allege malafide against the judge? Is it the practice we have developed?
That we are definitely not accepting.
What is that, my lord? A personal attack is being made on the judge for what reason?
He has clarified there is no malafide being
Why not? My lord, after saying that today again he is making that argument, this was backdated. The moment you say it is backdated, is it worse? It is worse than alleging malafide, my lord. How can you say a judge has passed an order backdated? What is the basis of saying so? And where was the adjournment application filed by them on 30th? Is it not the practice in a trial court, my lord, to file an application paying the court fee? Which is that? Where is that? Where is that? Why is it not annexed? Lord, question of, making a mountain out of a molehill will not do, my lord. We are in a court of law. We have to satisfy your lordship how the legal requirements were not met with. That's the only argument should be. And I'll satisfy your lordship, my lord.
All right, you continue and we'll hear.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
And shouting will not, and we do not want lessons from my senior counsel, how to argue. We don't need submission.
All right, all right.
And why he is taking the name of the student leader of ASU? This is not a political battlefield. Everybody can take utter names. Why Samujal Bhattacharya's name has been uttered here? He is not a part of the record.
We are not concerned with anybody else.
Lordship,
we are
that
only
is why.
concerned with the validity of the order.
Exactly, Lordship. I
That's
am reading whatever the meaning of these wordings. I'm
Mhm.
trying to emphasize. It is nothing that there is any personal thing or I'm saying something in from the air. If
All right, all right.
there is a uttering from the other side that there is no pleadings, I can show the pleadings.
No, you argue and
Yes.
we'll also hear
Yes.
their case
And
completely.
shouting and raising the voice will not scare us.
This is on live streaming, so let us all come together on maintaining the court decorum.